Hello, good morning everyone. I am now at Samsi Alhai Mission and will be performing a practical today, and we have called all the students today in the ground, because this practical is going to be too much interesting because we are having sodium metal with us. Can you all see? Sodium metal, and because this is the very reactive metal, and when we are adding this sodium metal in the water, so fires we can see, hydrogen gas will be burning and there will be burst little bit, that we will be doing. That is why we have taken all the precautions today, as some of the persons are telling that we have not taken precaution at the last day. So what we have done, we have called all the students to the ground. Please show my students here, those who are sitting to see the practical. Students, please respond here with the high sign there. Okay. So along with the sodium metal, we are having zinc metal also, and here aluminium metal. So my students will be performing this practical. I will just guide them here what will happen and what to do. They all will be telling you all. Thereafter we will be performing. So Imdadul, my student, is here. He will be telling us about the sodium metal, that what is going to be happen here. Yes, Imdadul, please tell.
Hi, I am Imdadullah from class Hamsa Animation from class 10 standard. Here I am to show you that I will do one practical, that is of sodium metal with water. As you know, it lies on the second most reactivity series. It is the second most reactive element of our reactivity series. So it will cause lots of fire. As you know, it is number 1. What I'll say, its reactivity alkaline. It is pH scale is 14. So let's start our practical. So we'll take at first precaution. Lots of precaution requires because it is a highly reactive metal. Now I will hand over this to Mr. Tahmid to this practical.
Okay, so Tahmid will be doing this practical and we will be following all the steps. At first, Tahmid, say what you have taken here. Yes.
Good morning to everyone. I am Tahmid Akib Hussain. So first, here we have taken water, because if we will mix sodium in water, then it will vigorously react with it. So here we will start the practical right now. Sir.
Wait, don't directly keep it on, keep it here first. Close it properly first. Don't give it now, wait, students are moving. Yes, so as you can see that here is the sodium metal, sodium the metal first, bring it closer a little bit. So as this metal is very reactive, so we need to cut it into small pieces, and you all know that sodium metal, this is not that much strong, so we can cut with the simple cutter only. Please cut it into 4 pieces, make it 4 pieces, yeah. More, no, more 1 piece. So the students. Okay, keep these metals now inside the box. So it's okay. So thing is that we will be adding the sodium metal in the water now, and students, I am requesting all the students to go a little bit far apart. Only Tahmid and I will be standing there. You want to stand? Yes. No, it will burst, so you should go far little bit. Go and stand there, more far. Yes, girls, please move. You go and stand there a little bit. Okay, let us start. Once you are giving this one, you are keeping this inside, we will be going far apart. Anyone please hold this sodium box and keep it there far apart. Keep it there. Now you can add it. You should go far apart a little bit. Go a little bit closer. Hey, far apart, Tahmid, go far. Have you started? Started? Okay. So the thing is that
There's a
here is this reaction was totally exothermic, you know, it is totally hot now, and we can see a crack also in this coffer where we have kept the water. Can you bring the camera closer a little bit? Here is the crack formed due to the heat, and this water now actually, as I said before the practical, that if we are mixing the sodium with water, so one thing may happen, that is what, the sodium hydroxide will be formed. Tahmid, can you tell us the nature of sodium hydroxide?
Sodium hydroxide, it is a basic metal, so mainly it is very corrosive in nature. So if we touch it by our naked hands, then it may cause damage to our hand. So we shouldn't touch it. We should take precautions before we use it.
And as Tahmid said that this sodium hydroxide is basic in nature, so we are having the universal litmus paper here, and we will be also showing you the color change by this litmus paper. So add on litmus paper and show them that what is the color change in the paper. So
This is the litmus paper. This is the universal litmus
Hey
paper.
guys,
So
please
it,
don't-
it
please don't
is
touch.
mainly
Pujay.
in yellow color, which is the neutral. So if we will put it in the sodium hydroxide, it will turn into purple color or violet color. So it will show that it is the basic in nature. See, it has turned purple violet. So it means that sodium hydroxide is
Give me
basic
once.
in nature.
So as you can see that Tahmid performed the practical, its hump up portion is still yellow, and this portion become the violet in color, which actually shows that sodium hydroxide, actually the metallic hydroxide, is basic in nature. Thank you for watching the video, and we will be performing with this practical. These metals will be added to water with rest of the metal also, as I have told you in the video when we are starting, that I said that most rest of the metals are there. So one by one my students will be adding these metals, and we will show you the results as well. Okay.